Hello everyone! In this video, we're about to explore the process of temporarily deactivating your Instagram account. It's an easy and reversible method. If you find this video helpful, consider showing your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. So, let's dive right in. Begin by launching the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Once open, navigate to your profile by selecting your profile icon in the lower right corner of the app. On your profile page, access the Instagram menu by tapping the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of the app. Within the menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. From here, select the first option labeled Account Center. Within the Account Center, scroll down and select Personal Details. In the Personal Details section, select Account Ownership and Control. Now, tap on the final option, Deactivation or Deletion. A list of Instagram accounts associated with your app will appear. Select the Instagram account you wish to deactivate. Ensure that the Deactivate account is selected at the top of the option, then tap Continue. To confirm, you'll be prompted to enter the password for your Instagram account. After entering it, tap Continue. And that's it. Your Instagram account has been temporarily deactivated. You can reactivate it anytime by simply logging back in. And that concludes our tutorial on temporarily deactivating your Instagram account. It's a convenient way to take a break from the platform without losing your account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. For more Instagram tips and tutorials, check out the links in the description or check our channel. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye-bye.